Welcome to our beginner's guide on mastering the art of chroma key. Whether you're diving into video editing for the first time or looking to enhance your skills, this tutorial is designed just for you. Today, we'll unravel the mysteries of chroma key, a technique that can transform your video projects by allowing you to replace backgrounds seamlessly. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is chroma key? At its core, chroma key is a visual effects technique used to layer two images or video streams together based on color hues. It's the magic behind those weather forecasts and blockbuster movie scenes where actors appear to be in exotic locations. But how does it work? Imagine you have a bright green or blue screen behind your subject. The chroma key process involves removing this colored background and replacing it with any image or video of your choice. This is achieved through software that identifies the specific color and makes it transparent, allowing another image to show through. Now, let's talk about the essential equipment you'll need to get started. First, you'll need a high-quality camera. While you don't need the most expensive model, ensure it captures clear and sharp footage. Next, a green or blue screen is crucial. The choice between green or blue depends on your subject's clothing and the lighting conditions. Green is often preferred because it doesn't match natural skin tones, reducing the risk of accidental transparency. Lighting is another key component. Proper lighting ensures even color distribution across the screen, minimizing shadows and enhancing the chroma key effect. Softbox lights or LED panels are great options to achieve this. Finally, you'll need video editing software that supports chroma keying. Popular choices include Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. Now that we've covered the theory and equipment, let's dive into a practical demonstration. First, set up your green screen in a well-lit area. Ensure it's wrinkle-free and evenly lit. Position your subject a few feet away from the screen to avoid casting shadows. Next, capture your footage. Remember to keep the camera steady and maintain consistent lighting throughout the shoot. Once you have your footage, import it into your video editing software. In the software, locate the chroma key tool, often labeled as keying or color key. Select the color you wish to remove, typically green or blue. Adjust the settings to refine the edges and eliminate any remaining color spill. Now, replace the background with your desired image or video. Experiment with different backgrounds to see how they interact with your subject. As you practice, you might encounter some common misconceptions. For instance, many believe that any green or blue surface will work. However, uneven lighting or reflective surfaces can lead to poor results. Always ensure your screen is evenly lit and non-reflective. Let's recap what we've learned today. Chroma key is a powerful tool in video editing that allows you to replace backgrounds using a colored screen. Essential equipment includes a camera, green or blue screen, proper lighting, and video editing software. The process involves setting up your screen, capturing footage, and using software to key out the background. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with different setups and backgrounds, the more proficient you'll become. We hope this tutorial has demystified the basics of chroma key for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on video editing techniques. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!